Hi everyone, in this video, you will learn how to do a drawstring. So let's get started. Import the patterns. We need make a rope pattern. Use the rectangle tool to create a new pattern. Width can be set at 0.5. Select the pattern. Right-click Symmetry Pattern with Seam. So we can clone the pattern on the other side. Then pattern is set up. Placing the rope pattern to the right position. Then sew the corresponding position with the free sewing tool. Simulation. Then we add tack. We can check the effect in the 3D window. Pleat is not obvious. We use the Edit Pattern tool. Add elastic in the property editor to make pleat more visible and delicate. Add the trim. Placed in the right position. Okay, the drawstring is completed. That's the final effect. That's it guys, and I hope some of the tips will help your modeling work. If you like what we do, please liking, commenting and sharing this video. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.